In the digital era, the display screen is ubiquitous, but its manufacturing was once monopolized by foreign countries. Wuhan started from scratch in 2008, after 14 years of pursuit. Now it has become the largest R&D and production base of medium and small-size display panels in China, and the shipment volume of various display panels ranks among the top in the world. The reporter learned from many departments in Wuhan that the shipment of made-in-Wuhan LTPS flat panel is the first in the world, and the shipment of LTPS notebook panel is the second in the world. The shipment volume of small-sized LTPS mobile phone panel and flexible OLED mobile phone panel is among the top 4 in the world. In 2008, Tianma Microelectronics built the 4.5th generation TFT LCD and CF production lines in Optical Valley, becoming the first display panel production line in Wuhan and Hubei.